Make meat in a plastic bottle. You've never had such juicy meat before. Start by taking a plastic bottle and, with a sharp knife, cut off the bottom part so it's roughly the same size as mine. Trust me, this bottle piece will make all the difference. Now take cleaned mushrooms and chop them into small pieces. You'll need about 300 grams. Dice an onion finely as well. In a hot pan, melt some butter, then add the onion. Sauté on low heat for a few minutes, then add the chopped mushrooms. Season with pepper, salt, and vegeta. Pour in about 100 milliliters of cream, then add 50 grams of sour cream. Let the mixture thicken, then set it aside to cool. Next, prepare the meat. Slice large chicken breasts lengthwise to make thinner cuts. Lay the chicken on a board, cover with plastic wrap, and pound it flat. Rub in your favorite spices. You'll also need hard-boiled eggs, cut into quarters. Now, take the plastic bottle piece and line it with bacon strips. Place a slice of chicken breast on the bacon, add a spoonful of the mushroom filling, then a piece of egg, and another layer of filling. Fold the bacon ends over the opening to seal the roll. Place the filled bottle on a baking sheet, turning it upside down, and repeat for each chicken piece. Bake for 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. After that, the meat will be perfectly tender and juicy. It's great for a main course or an appetizer.